Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Today we are going to be diving into a battle of natural hair detanglers, flaxseed gel versus okra gel. Both of these gels have gained their popularity for their hydrating and detangling properties. Which one is better, or are they equally good? Let's find out. First up, we have flaxseed gel. This DIY favorite is known for its incredible sleep and moisturizing properties. It is packed with omega-3 fatty acids that nourish the scalp and keep hair hydrated. I have been using flaxseed gel for a while now, and it's always been my go-to for detangling my 4C hair. Let me show you how it works. As you can see, the gel helps my curls clamp together and makes detangling super easy. Next, we have okra gel. Now this one might be a bit more unexpected, but trust me, it's just as effective. Okra is not only great in the kitchen, it's a fantastic detangler due to its mucilage, which creates a smooth, slippery texture that glides through the tangles. The okra gel really helps to define my curls and makes my hair feel super hydrated. Now let's put these two to the test. On one side, I'm using flaxseed gel, and on the other, okra gel. Let's see how they compare when it comes to sleep. Ease of detangle. And how my hair feels afterward. Flaxseed gel definitely has a thick consistency and gives my curls a lot of definition, while okra gel feels lighter but still provides plenty of moisture. So, what's the verdict? Honestly, both gels are amazing in their own right. Flaxseed gel is great for thicker coverage and curl definition, while okra gel feels a bit lighter and provides a ton of hydration. Personally, I think they're equally effective, but it depends on what your hair needs. Which one do you think is the winner? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more natural hair content. I'm looking at this camera. Both of these gels have gained a lot of popularity.